Hey, good day everyone. I've got this Cub Cadet here, XT2 Enduro series, in need of some new front tires. I got some right here. Check these babies out. 15 by 6. Comes with some extra bearings as well. Got the little grease fitting there as well. Okay, I went ahead and jacked the front up here. I'm gonna just do one side at a time. And just take this off of here. This just pops off. Okay, what I'm going to do is take the screwdriver here, just kind of angle it in there, and then pop it out that way. Now we can take this off. Put our washer back on there, and pop our pin back in there. There we go. All right, there it is. Easy as that. I'm just gonna do the other side. Before and after. These things are all nice and solid too, so you don't have to worry about airing them up. These things would go flat, you hit some thorns, you name it, go flat all the time. Don't have to worry about it with these. Oh, I love the look of these things too. Very nice.